What's going on, everyone? It's Abel here, and today we're diving deep into the mind of a self-made millionaire, Andrew Carnegie. Now, you might be thinking, another old money guy, what can I learn from someone who built their fortune over a century ago? But trust me on this, Carnegie's principles are timeless, and they're just as relevant today as they were back then. We're going to break down his core strategies for building wealth, from his humble beginnings to becoming one of the richest men in history. So, if you're ready to unlock your own financial potential, stick around. This one's packed with golden nuggets. Now, Carnegie didn't just magically become a millionaire overnight. He started his journey in poverty, working as a bobbin boy in a textile factory at just 13 years old. Can you imagine yourself at 13 working in a factory? Talk about starting from the bottom. But that experience taught him the value of hard work and discipline. He didn't just clock in and out, he paid attention, he learned the business, and he looked for opportunities to move up. He eventually landed a job as a telegraph messenger boy, and again he didn't just deliver messages. He memorized telegraph codes, he learned about different industries, and he made connections with influential people. His dedication and eagerness to learn didn't go unnoticed. He climbed the ladder at the Pennsylvania Railroad Company, eventually becoming the superintendent. Carnegie's journey teaches us that building a successful career is a process, a step-by-step climb. It's about hard work, continuous learning, and seizing every opportunity to grow. You might not be working with telegraphs or steel, but the principles remain the same. Identify your goals, master your current role, and constantly seek ways to level up. Remember, success leaves clues, and Carnegie's journey is a roadmap. One of Carnegie's biggest secrets to wealth wasn't just saving money, it was putting his money to work. Now, saving is important, don't get me wrong, but too many people stop there. They hoard their cash in savings accounts that barely keep up with inflation. Carnegie, on the other hand, understood the power of investing. He took the money he earned and put it into stocks, specifically in industries he understood and believed in. One of his early investments was in railroads. He saw the potential of this burgeoning industry and knew it was a smart move. He wasn't afraid to take calculated risks. And guess what? His instincts were right. His investments in railroads and later in steel exploded in value, laying the foundation for his massive fortune. The lesson here is clear. Don't let your money just sit there. Learn about investing, explore different asset classes, and find opportunities to make your money grow. Carnegie wasn't afraid to venture into uncharted territory. He saw the rise of new technologies like steel and telecommunications and recognized their potential before others did. For example, while others were hesitant about steel, Carnegie saw its superior strength and durability. He invested heavily in building steel mills, and his company, Carnegie Steel, became the largest steel producer in the world. He also understood the importance of diversification. He didn't put all his eggs in one basket. He invested in various industries, spreading his risk and maximizing his chances of success. Now, I'm not saying you should go all in on risky investments. What Carnegie did brilliantly was balance risk with calculation. He researched his investments thoroughly, surrounded himself with experts, and made informed decisions. So when you're exploring investment opportunities, look for emerging industries, disruptive technologies, and businesses with strong fundamentals. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone, but make sure your decisions are backed by research and a solid understanding of the market. Chapter 4. $2.50 Motivation Finding Your Drive. You might think that someone like Carnegie, driven by wealth, would be all about the money. But his motivation ran deeper than that. You see, Carnegie grew up poor. He witnessed firsthand the struggles his family faced. His driving force, his why, was to lift his family out of poverty and provide them with a better life. In his autobiography, he talks about earning $2.50 a week, which back then was a significant amount. That $2.50 represented security, opportunity, and a chance for a brighter future for his family. That was his fuel. That was his fire. What's your $2.50? What gets you up in the morning? What are you working towards? Find your why, that deep-rooted motivation, and let it drive your actions, your work ethic, and your pursuit of success. Chapter 5. The Rule of 9/10, Conquering Your Fears. Carnegie had a fascinating principle he called the Rule of 9/10. He believed that 90% of the things we worry about never actually happen. Think about that for a second. 9 out of 10 worries completely unfounded. How much time and energy do we waste on anxieties that never materialize? He believed that the fear of the unknown, the fear of failure, holds us back from achieving our true potential. And to be successful, you need to overcome that fear. Take calculated risks, embrace uncertainty, and don't let the what-ifs paralyze you. Remember, action breeds confidence, and inaction breeds doubt. So, the next time you find yourself spiraling down a rabbit hole of worry, remember Carnegie's rule of 9/10. Challenge those negative thoughts, focus on the positive, and take action. Chapter 6. Stepping out of the shadows. Embracing optimism. Carnegie was a firm believer in the power of a positive mindset. He believed that dwelling on problems, setbacks, and negativity only attracted more of the same. Instead, he focused on solutions, opportunities, and maintaining an optimistic outlook. He famously said, "It is not the man who does no work who is most to be pitied, but the man who does useless work." In other words, don't waste your time and energy on things that don't matter, on negativity that drags you down. Focus on the good, the productive, and the actions that move you forward. Carnegie's message is clear. You have the power to choose your perspective. You can dwell in the shadows of doubt and fear, or you can step into the light of optimism and opportunity. The choice is yours. Outro Carnegie's timeless wisdom. So there you have it, guys. Andrew Carnegie's Secrets to Wealth Unpacked. From his humble beginnings to becoming a titan of industry, his journey is a testament to the power of hard work, smart investing, and an unwavering belief in oneself. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and consistent action. But by adopting Carnegie's principles, by focusing on your career, investing wisely, finding your motivation, conquering your fears, and embracing optimism, you too can pave your own path to financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start building.